This problem is from JEE Advanced 2020 paper 1 and related to the topic functions, and the question is, if the function, you have been given a function whose domain and codomain both are the set of real numbers, and the function is given by fx is equal to mod of x multiplied by x minus sin x, and in the question he is asking us the function is 1 function onto function or both 1 onto. This is a single correct answer question. Now how will we approach this problem? Let us first look at this function, and the function is mod of x multiplied by x minus sin x. This is the function. So if I see what will happen when x is equal to 0, at x equal to 0 the value of the function will be equal to 0. Now what will happen when I replace x by minus x? That means what is f of minus x? This will become mod of minus x multiplied by minus of x minus sine of minus x, which becomes positive sine x. So mod of minus x is same as mod of x, and from here this bracket, if I take minus of x common, I will get x minus sine of x. So what I get is f of minus x is minus of fx, which means this given function is an odd function. Now let us see the tendency of the graph of the function, how the graph is following, for which what I will do is I will find out the derivative of the function. Now since this function is an odd function, if I know the graph when x is greater than 0, I can similarly plot the graph when x is less than 0. So we will first define the function when x is greater than 0 and what will be the value of f dash x in this particular case. So what I will do is I will first find out the value of f dash x when x is greater than 0. So suppose when x is greater than 0, this mod of x can be replaced by x only, and in that case the function becomes x multiplied by x minus sin x for x greater than 0. Now in such case, what will be our first derivative f dash x? If I use the product rule here, I will get derivative of x is 1 multiplied by x minus sin x plus x multiplied by derivative of x minus sin x, which is equal to 1 minus cos of x. So here you can clearly see that when x is positive, x minus sin x will always be positive. Why? Because sin of x is always less than x for positive values of x. So this value is always positive. Now coming on to this part, here cos x will always be less than 1. So 1 minus cos x is also positive. So x into 1 minus cos x will also give you the positive value only. So sum of these two positive numbers will always be positive. So this concludes that f dash x is always greater than 0 for all the values of x which are greater than 0. That shows that the first derivative is always positive for the positive values of x. So the graph is monotonically increasing function. So it will always be strictly increasing. So if you plot the graph for the values of x which are positive, the graph will follow the increasing tendency, and f of 0 is 0, so it will go like this. Now here on the negative side, because we have proved that the function is an odd function, so whatever be its behavior on the first quadrant, it would same replica in the third quadrant. Okay, now since the function is, you can clearly see it is always increasing value, the graph is not taking any turn anywhere, because f dash x is never 0 at any point of time. At any point your f dash x is always positive. So this is a 1 function. So one thing is clear, that this function is a 1 function. Now to check whether the function is onto function, we will evaluate the range of the function. If the range of the function is same as the codomain, then it becomes an onto function, otherwise not. So to find out the range of the function, one thing we can say that the function is continuous for all the values of x, because here mod of x, x and sin x all are continuous. So as a result, this whole thing will always be a continuous function. Secondly, when x approaches to infinity, what will happen when the value of x, when x approaches to infinity, then obviously this whole function will also be approaching to infinity, because sin of x is always less than 1. So sin x is always between -1 and 1. So infinity minus this value will always be tending to infinity, multiplied by mod of x will also be tending to infinity. So this function will be approaching to infinity. And when x is approaching to minus infinity, what will happen is this mod value will always be positive, but because of this x approaching to minus infinity, minus a finite number between -1 and 1, you will get this whole thing will always be approaching to minus of infinity. So because this function takes all the real values between minus infinity and infinity, that means its range is all real values, which is same as its codomain. So that means the function is an onto function. So what does this prove? That this function is both 1 1 and onto. So the correct answer is option C, that this function is both 1 1 and onto. So this way we can easily solve this problem.